so good today. Got a nice night's sleep. I'm heading back to my homeland today, which is always very exciting for me. Against all the stereotypes, I actually like Nebraska a lot. There's a lot that I like about Nebraska. So, Brian, good morning, bro. Good morning, my bro. Dun. I am live on. Oh, North Platte. Oh, man. I used to go to North Platte and Kearney and Columbus and Norfolk and all those places to play basketball back in the day. I've been in North Platte hundreds of times, going back and forth. That's where I always stop halfway through when I used to drive. J Diddy's crazy. NQ Longs are going to pay. I mean, we are gapped up overnight, so we'll see. It's definitely possible for sure. I'm not going in with a bias. I've had a very, very nice week so far, so I'm not looking to put on any unnecessary risk. Let's see here. We're up about 7 racks in the live account this week. So we could just get another nice solid day today, 2-3 Gs, a little 10K week in 3 days. We will take it, baby. Already got a 3-mile run, and okay, I see you, my boy. I see you, my boy. I had a big day yesterday, man. 4,300 yesterday. Big day. My favorite type of setup where I get to add in, and we literally got a 100-point trade in like 5 minutes. Over 100 points. $1 PA fee. Ugh. Could have add along here. We'll see. Not so sure about that. It could be. Not saying no, but I'm also not saying yes. Good morning. I'm not even touching the computer until you get your coffee. That is hilarious. But honestly, facts though. I trade so much better when I get caffeine going through my system. The market is on normal hours today. That is right. That is correct. That is correct. Bro, when my coffee came yesterday, it hit literally like a minute later. Good morning, Paydon. What's up? Good morning. Good morning, Kiki. How's it going? Good morning, everybody. It is another blessed day to choose discipline over dopamine. Another blessed day to choose DOD. What's up, everyone on YouTube? How's it going? This is your chance. We got 30 minutes till open, guys. Go get yourself an Apex 100K account. Those are the same accounts that I got my $50,000 payout on. And right now, they are only $59 with a $10 activation fee. So if we can get you past today, I'm going to do my absolute best, like I do every day, to get you guys a winning trade, get you guys past. You could potentially be funded with a 100K account today for $70 all in. Tell me that's not wild. You can use code Jdun and secure your discount. So all the other prop firms that have Black Friday deals going on, Funded Next is 30% off. They're similar to Top Step. Alpha Futures is 25% off. They're very similar to Top Step. Both I prefer more, personally. Tradeify is a little different. They have straight to fund an account, so you don't have an eval, but they're a bit more expensive, and they're 40% off using code JDUN. And right now, the best deal is Apex. Hey, Stacy, thank you. The deal goes till the 1st, I believe, or the 2nd of December. All right, let's see here. Oh, we can get you past. Apex is very trustworthy. They have paid out the most of any prop firm. You follow the rules, you get paid. You can use code JDUN for 80% off and a $40 PA fee on all accounts, besides the 100K, which is only $60 and a $10 PA fee. And $40. Bro, yesterday, it's so funny. Literally, it is absolutely hilarious. Yesterday, Gene walked in, and I'm like, bro, they're cooking my puts, or they're cooking my shorts. He gives me my coffee, and literally like 2 minutes later, our trade just starts nuking, like doing everything we want it to do. So maybe we got to do that again. Yep, guys, get your accounts ready. I'm gonna do my absolute best to find y'all a winner today, as I do every day. The straight to funded firm is Tradeify. It's in the YouTube description below. Which, if you're on TikTok, I'm also on YouTube. You get full screen share. And I'm on Zoom inside Team Bull, which Zoom is the GOAT. All right, everybody. Let's see what we can get today. You guys all awake and ready? You guys ready to trade some DOD? You better be. I woke up bright and early, ready to kill it, ready to crush. Had a great workout yesterday. Gonna get a great workout today before my flight. I will probably only be around for an hour, maybe an hour 15 today. So I will do my absolute best to find y'all a winner in that time, Team Bull. Opens in 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Caught traded Jdun for 4,100. Nice. That's good. What's the name of the indicator? I don't use indicators for the most part. A little bit, but not a ton. I'll like throwing an EMA here and there, but they're not a part of my system. They have been in the past. I've had times where I used indicators every day. My indicator is the DOD indicator. That's my favorite indicator. This is to be. What is DOD? DOD is the greatest trading system ever to exist on planet Earth. Discipline over dopamine. We mix it with psychology and systematic trading. And when you do that consistently and you stay patient and you don't blow yourself up and you wait for your confirmations and you only trade A+ setups, good things happen to you. Good things happen to your trading. Better things happen to your trading. Payouts come. Consistency comes. That's what you have to look at long term. Most traders' problems stem from them blowing themselves up, and they can't stay disciplined. They can't stay consistent. They can't stay focused. You apply DOD and you make sure that every trade you take is systematic and focused and consistent, good things happen. What up, Tyler? What's good, my bro? What up? Yes, sir, Jose. We got 15 minutes till market open. And I still don't have my coffee. No coffee, no trade. That's the new saying. DOD is around 1 to 2 trades a day, sometimes 3. Let's have a good day today, my bro. What up, North Star? What's good? Can someone please tell Bitcoin to go up? What's Bitcoin at? I don't even look. I just buy. 87. Let's go buy. I'm going to put it into the universe. I'm going to put $2,000. I'm going to buy $2,000 of Bitcoin right now because that's what I'm going to make trading today. I'm going to put it into the universe. We're putting it into the universe, baby. We're making over 2 racks today. You're going to make 2001. Wrigley, I hope you make 20,001. I hope I make 2,000, you make 20,000. Best thing about me is I want to see you win. I want to see you win massively, bigger than I'm winning. Because when you're winning, I'm winning. When I'm winning, I want you to feel like you're winning too. We can all win here, baby. Too much competition. Is this your last day of the trading week too? Yeah, me too. I might hop on and say hello on Black Friday, but there's a very, 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 very small chance of actually taking a trade for me.
I'm going to the mountains. I'm not be there most of Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Oh, so you won't be around at all on Friday. AMD with a nice gap up.
Are you going to go live Friday?
Or... doubtful. Possible, but doubtful. You know what looks good for a bounce in individual equities today is AMD at 206. That her previous day high mixed with that pre-market high. Got some EMAs stacked there too. I have some EMAs on this one chart of my Thinkorswim.
I'm the only person looking at Netflix in this area.
What's Netflix doing?
For this Netflix 100 area, for like a longer term play.
You gonna add it?
I want to break below that 100 first, but maybe being a little too patient. I haven't yet.
You like that? Cellulose, you like that? You got any other watches for long term? Bring us what?
I'd like to see this TSLL get back around 12 so we can start selling.
I'm gonna check out this option chain today too.
All right.
You get your coffee yet, Grizzly?
You're going to go grab it right now.
I was gonna say it's usually about that time you go grab your coffee. I thought so. I'm gonna pull up my option chain today. I keep saying that, and then I don't take any options trades, but maybe I will one of these days. We'll start ripping some options again. You guys miss option Jdun? You miss the puts king? Shall the puts king take his throne back?
Go up and down over the years.
I feel like I'm spending. Not even wanting to. Life's just expensive. Life's just real expensive. I'll watch the S&P too. I like to watch both at the same time. I'll watch the NASDAQ and the S&P. I think where it's unnecessary, people are for sure cutting back in their spending. For sure, for sure. For show, for show. Do I ever trade Dow micros? Not really. No. Discipline over dopamine. That is correct. Yo, Gene and Jen caught a banger live trading Asia last night too. Yeah, bro. Like for real. They caught a big banger inside Team Bull.
How long is about this Asia high, market high?
So you're saying that we're gonna rip longs off the open.
You got room up too.
Should we call grandma and ask?
You got room up to 280 from there.
We might need to get the grandma indicator. She's 9 for 9. Today could be the day we go 10 for 10. Today could be grandma's 10 for 10. All right. That's it. We're going to call her right next to market open. 2 minutes before open, we'll call grandma. Grandma wants the Santa rally. Santa rally. Sound like I'm from the South, from Tennessee with Grizzly. Yeehaw. As a reminder, guys, I'm live every single morning here before market open. We start at 9 a.m. Eastern time. So if you're looking to get prepared for the day, this is the place to be. We have our London high up here. We'll mark that out. We have our London high up here at 237. We have our London low down around this 120 area. So as usual, I'll be waiting for a break above or below these. We'll mark out our 15-minute high, 15-minute low. Why did it do that? What the hell?
What's this Grizzly Voice Jdun doing?
What?
Someone said to do your Grizzly Voice in Team Bull chat. I must have missed it.
I said that I was from Tennessee, and I go out and I chuck corn, and I'm from the I'm from the South.
Were you all ready for Thanksgiving or what?
What the fuck? There we go.
That's it. Oh, they don't take you to HR, man.
What?
I'm reporting you to HR.
I'm in trouble. I am in trouble. I'm copying bros trades. Good. Well, you do that every day. I think you're gonna be in a good spot. If you came yesterday, you were in a real good spot.
Higher risk trade, but above that pre-market high, it's not. Look it up there.
Well, we got levels every day. I come in and just ball out. AMD 206 area I'm watching as well. I'll be watching AMD 206 area. I like that AMD 206 area for a bounce as well. I think it looks very good. Other than that, I'm not going to force anything. Up about $7 grand this week in 2 days. So I'm personally just going to sit back, relax, wait. If we find a good setup, we'll take it. If we don't, well, the train continues on Monday. I will not be around likely on Friday. If I do it will be for a very short amount of time on my mobile setup. Yeah, NASDAQ. I mean, if I were to trade options, I'd prefer to trade SPY because there's a lot more volume in SPY contracts than QQQ. All right, way to call Grandma and ask. Hello, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm just walking around the grocery store picking up some last minute things.
Walking around the grocery store.
Grocery store?
No, I said walking around the grocery store.
Yeah, that's me.
Okay, that's you.
And then after that, I have trainer, and then I have doctor's appointment.
Trainer at the gym every day, baby. That's what we do.
Every day.
That's right. That's DOD.
That's
Hey.
right. Otherwise, my head's not right.
Yep, that's facts. All right, so I have a question.
Yes.
The market's been ripping up. We're gapped up overnight. Which way we heading? Longs or shorts?
I'm going shorts.
You think shorts today? Oh, wow, that's bold. Going against the trend, Grandma. You sure?
Well, I'm actually thinking a lot about green beans and things, but
You think
that's
first thought? Grandma wants the shorts. Okay.
But that's not going to disappoint me.
Well, all right. You said you're looking at green beans, so she thought longs, but shorts is the intuition. That is crazy. Grandma likes the shorts. I said she's feeling risky. She's going against the trend. You know what? Sometimes going against Santa rally. But okay, well, we're gonna get to trading, but love you. Have a great day. Bye. And Grandma's grinding. She said, I'm thinking about green beans. So I'm thinking about long. What? All right. So Grandma's short entries. Grandma's short entry will put it at 223, the open. Grandma might be getting her first L. I said, you sure about that, Grams? I don't know. Kind of looks like we want to go up. All right, guys, let's get it. Trade smart, trade safe, and choose discipline over dopamine today. Let's go. Uh-oh, Grandma. Hurting. Grizzly, you still watching for that pre-market high break?
Yeah, I can't call it out though. It's his job. Something like that's too quick to call out.
Maybe if we close above this pre-market high. I think we go data strategy.
Well, you watch up opens longs above the 236, everyone. I'm gonna be patient after that. I want to see. We do have supply up around 25 280. So. That was a price target on the longs. Final price target.
All right, guys. Trade smart, trade safe, and stay patient. Let's find ourselves a winner today. Let's find ourselves a nice winner. How do you beat trailing drawdown? You just have to take profits on the way up. That's the only way to beat it. The only way you get past trailing drawdown.
Breakout trades, don't you? Well, we're almost to a price target. I took the longs above that level.
Yeah, I won't trade or I won't take. I will rarely take a trade like this, like say calls over this level or puts below this level. It's just a little.
Just doing Tesla stuff.
Oh yeah, big time.
Looking 310. 310. That's why you have also the right briefly. Supply some.
I can't hear you, Greg. I'm sorry. I need to turn up my volume back.
And looking 310.
You're going zero.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that area. There's supply up there for sure. Took that trade we talked about. Your stop should be at the entry level there now.
Let's see how we react to these highs right here. These London pre-market highs. All right, let's see. We're all set up here. Boom. Right now, give Grandma a downtrend day. Is it gonna happen? I wouldn't personally bet on it. Good. All right. What's Grandma's stop loss? I think she's just rolling no stop loss today. Trade off the open, full send it. No fear. Just let you know it's saying. We're serving spam this Thanksgiving. No turkey yet, right? Apparently. All right, y'all. As a reminder, I trade live here every single day, and I'm also live on 2 platforms outside of Team Bull Trading, TikTok and YouTube. Make sure y'all tap in, hit that follow button. If you're here, and hey, you know what? What are we at on YouTube? We got 700 people here. And we got 80 likes. Let's get that number up to 200, baby. We got it to 200 plus yesterday, and we caught a massive trade. I plan on doing the same thing today. Hit that thumbs up button if you're ready to choose DOD. If you're ready to find a nice, solid, systematic winning trade. If you're ready to manage your risk and stay consistent today, baby. Tap that thumbs up button, baby. Let's go. Let's get to 200 plus. I know y'all got it in you. Stop loss. You speaking Spanish? Yeah, right. What's that language? We don't do that.
What's the trade?
Oh, we're finding a trade. The grandma's a baller. She's really grinded in the last year and a half. Lost like 80 pounds from 75 to 77 years old. Went from 33 BMI to under 25.
You cooking Thanksgiving?
Oh, yeah. Just goes to show if you want something bad enough, you'll do it. Ain't no excuses. Being old, not an excuse. Being busy, not an excuse. You want something bad enough in life, you will find a way to get it done. That's with trading. That's with anything. Oh, yeah. Now we're going to see grandma's trend day come. Watch it just die today. We'll see. I think we're in. She's gonna need a lot bigger move. Off the open was around 223. Should be at about 40 some points of drawdown. So she's gonna need a nice move down to like 120. Then we can say victory's been achieved. Where are you guys all checking in from this morning, Team Bull? Well, we're waiting for our first trade in 6 minutes. Where you all stationed at this fine morning? Where's everyone coming in from? Idaho, Potato Land, Maine, Lobster Land, Jersey, Idaho, St. Louis, Georgia, Loveland, Colorado. Shout out. Just right up north. Denver, Austin, Florida, Oregon, India, Seattle, Madrid, Oregon, Littleton. Yeah, let's go. I see you, my boy. What's up with everyone from Idaho? It's like is anyone from Arkansas here? Do people even live in Arkansas? Is that a place where people actually live? I gotta know. Do we have anyone from Arkansas in here? I'm talking one person. Damn, you don't land in Arkansas? Damn, okay. They have internet in Arkansas? Hogland. I'm talking this shit, and I'm from Nebraska. It ain't much better. Lots of corn. All right, we are 10 minutes in. Five more minutes, and we'll have our 15-minute range in. We have our levels. Well, we had our levels. So I don't know what happened to my level here. Our levels are all marked out. I am watching this AMD for a 206 area bounce. For my individual stock traders, I am watching this AMD for a 206 area bounce for longs to the upside. So that'd be for calls. Let's see how those contracts are looking. If we got 206 bounce, we probably want like 210 calls. They're not too expensive. Yeah, I got my AMD 210 calls pulled up if we end up getting the move down to 206 that I want to see.
Watching for another trade here on PQ, everyone. Is it close? Get back above the under control that 242 area. It close back above that, and we'll look for another possible loan. If we don't, I'll look for a sweep below pre-market low. Won't follow.
What do you say, Grizzly Glock? What are you watching?
I'm watching for like a break below pre-market low, sweep of it, like reclaim it with high volume for a possible bounce, or if we get above this 242, get a close above that, look for a possible loan entry there to the next move up, trend up.
Up 20K this past 2 months, all thanks to you, Jdun. Well, I appreciate that, bro. No, it's all thanks to you and your application of DOD, but I'm glad I could be a small part of it. Glad I could be a part of a lot of you guys finding success, being more patient, being more consistent, being more disciplined, and ultimately, maybe not now, but eventually making more money trading. I'm not going to say, oh, every single person who's ever joined this live is making tons of money trading, so that wouldn't be honest, but I've seen a lot of you guys improve massively. And, you know, it's not the race to get to perfection. You're each on your own journey. It's more so, how are you improving each and every day? If you can improve each and every day, you're going to be in a good spot in due time. In due time, you're going to be in a good spot if you keep choosing DOD. That's the move. As a reminder, guys, the best deal in the market. I have not taken any trades right now. If you want to take the first futures trade of the day with me, you can get a 100K account from Apex for $59 right now using code JDUN. If you go to Apex Trader Funding, use code JDUN on the 100K. It's $59 and only a $10 activation fee, which is bananas. Best, and the 100K accounts are what I got my $50,000 payout on. That's what I got my 50 rack payout on. Yeah, yep. Use code JDUN. You'll get payout protection. So if anything comes up with your payout, if there's any problems, they'll see that you use code JDUN, and I can personally reach out to their management as well and do my best to help you with that as long as you followed your rules. Got 2 yesterday with code JDUN. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you, my bro. Mackenzie, thank you very much. Good luck to your boyfriend. Uh-oh.
Let's try my best to get that trade deal. If we pull back to that level, wait a second. If we close above this, it's going to be my entry with you on.
If we close above pre-market high?
Yeah, well, no, it has to be a little higher for me. Above that two, basically above that previous 5-minute candle wick, right above that 12 close. 242, 243 area. Below that, I will not take the loans.
The night away. Yep. Greg's in the longs. Oh boy. Please close above pre-market high for our boy Greg, please. I am in no trades, guys. I am in no trade. Just so you're aware. Come on, AMD. Go a little lower. The video's kind of struggling too. Had a little gap up, but not really catching a bit on the video. Oh, that's Gene. Mr. Gene is here. What's up, bro? Thank you, dog. All right, guys. We got the coffee, baby. Oh, yeah. We got the coffee. Hey, Gene, you killed it in Asia last night, bro.
That was cool, huh?
That was dope. All right. Gene brought the coffee. That means I'm about to go absolute sicko mode in this market. I'm about to catch a banger trade. It's time. Once you see the Jdun has his coffee in hand and the market's going to give us a semi-trend, oh boy, you better watch out. I'm going to hop on that like an alligator out of the swamp. This is my swamp. N-Key, this is my swamp. I'm like this. Greg trimmed up there, everybody. Greg trimmed up there to stop loss to break even. So if you're watching or listening to him. AMD's at 208. I will still watch that 206 flush and reclaim for longs. For anyone that trades individual names. Yo, if you want full screen share TikTok, you can head on over to YouTube. Jdun Trades. Go to your YouTube and type in Jdun Trades. I'm on there as well. You get full screen share, both charts. That's the elite stream. I mean, I love our TikTok fam for life. I love y'all for life, but based on the stats, people stay longer in YouTube. You get the full screen share. You can see more. All of the links are in there. It's just a good place to be. You can pull it up on your laptop, so you can be a bit more focused. You get all my levels and some. We're almost to 200 likes, guys. Come on. 200 likes will unlock an absolute and mega trade. All right, that candle looks decent for you, Greg. Got the close above. That looks good. I would have liked to have seen a little higher volume, but it's relatively high volume. What do you think, Grizzly? This looks like good upside for me. I just would like to see a little more confirmation. I like how we had this aggressive body up with relatively high volume. I would have rather seen higher volume right here. That was a horrible circle. Oval, whatever you want to call it. I would have rather seen a bit more relatively high volume, but it looks like we can pull back into this candle and keep moving up above the 15-minute high. Yeah, that's what we're getting. I don't think I think Grandma's going to be 9 for 1 today. I really thought she was going to pick longs for seeing those green beans.
Then I went down from it, but it's a good trade. Still not a good trade.
But it looks like Brandon had a nice trade. I bet Brandon took longs.
I stop loss till stop out. Running stop out. Breaking.
What is this candle? We're at that 50% retracement. Not enough confirmation for me to take longs. We'll see. Maybe if we close this candle strong with a high wick. Maybe if that's the case. We'll see. Gonna stay patient, trade smart, and trade safe, everybody. That's discipline over dopamine. This is your nearly 30 minutes in reminder to choose DOD today. You don't need to force any trades. You don't always have to be in a trade. Cash is a position. Wait for your A+ setup and execute when it comes. That's how you get paid, and you keep what you get paid long-term as a trader. I know it can get probably repetitive that I remind you, but I'm never going to stop. Because that's what's going to get you paid out, and that's what's going to make you money long term. And the boys killed it in Zoom. That's dope. What do you think, Grizzly? You see anything you like? I'm kind of indecisive right now. I'm a little indecisive at the moment. I'm a little indecisive. Please don't stop. All right. I'll just never stop telling you, DOD. I'm going to remind you every single day for the rest of eternity to choose DOD when you trade. Because a lot of y'all need to stop blowing yourself up. A lot of y'all, if I could just, like Salt Bay, just sprinkle a little bit of discipline on you each day, you'd be in a much better spot. You feel me? Ooh, that does not look like a bullish close. Does not look like a bullish close. What's the high to it? What?
Now looking bullish now.
282, 70, 62, 52. We'll see if we can retest back into this area. I'd like to see a pop up into like 240 to like 250 if we're going to look for a shorts entry to try to catch that trend. with stops above high of day. I like that candle. I just would like to see a pop up and a retest before trying any shorts to the downside. And we're not going to get it, huh? Come on. I was hoping we could see this sell off, but first we could get a move to like 240, at least to that pre-market high retest. Ideally 250, then we could have just had stops above that high of day. Now if we get some massive wick up, not my favorite to short. All right, let's see. As a reminder, TikTok, I'm live on YouTube as well. You get full screen share. If you go to your YouTube app and type in Jdun Trades, you get my full screen share with levels. I want us to have the biggest YouTube live stream in the game. We're holding around 1,000 every day now. I appreciate each and every one of you guys coming in. You guys make this what it is. Hopefully I've helped you in some way, shape, or form in your trading. Come on. A little higher. A lot higher, actually. Not little. We're a ways away from any place I'd be even open to trying. We also do have we have data, huh? What data do we have? I should know this. We don't have data today. I'll say I didn't think we did. We're gonna go lower here. You can see it in that 1 minute. We're gonna pop below that 190. We're gonna go lower here. We're gonna go lower, and it's gonna go without us. Well, that's a little disheartening. Didn't get our retest back up. Damn, looks like Grandma's intuition was right, just a little early. We'll see if she gets her full move. If we can get, okay, now if the market could just chill, okay, if we can just chill and close this candle around here, the next pop up, I will try shorts. I'll try the orb at like 190 to like 210 in this area. I'm willing to try that. Probably keep risk above 230, 233. We got 10 more seconds on this candle. Come on. No, 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 no. Other way first. Don't die yet. Don't die yet. Not quite yet. We need to trap some late buyers and then we can die. I'm not sure we're going to do it though, folks. This selling looks pretty aggressive on the 1 minute. We'll see.
I got one more setup I'm watching right here.
Watching for these shorts on this pop up.
Yeah, but it has to be closer to that 200 area.
Yeah, that's what I like too. Is like 190, 200 with stops above like 230. I mean, you can even say above like 238, above pre-market high. I just don't know if we're gonna get that pop up. The selling looks really aggressive. I mean, not aggressive enough to where I'm willing to, like, I would just not short down here. Way too much risk. It could work this time, but it doesn't fit my system long term. So I'll watch for 190, 200 area. ideally a pop into here with shorts and then continuation down to pre-market low.
I mean, it makes me a little hesitant because we tried the 15-minute yesterday and then pushed up to that pre-market level.
I kind of have a similar game plan to yesterday. I'm going to try it if we get into this zone here. Defined risk. I just don't know if we're going to get up there, guys. I really don't. And if we flush pre-market low first, that pretty much invalidates my orb entry right here. Doesn't completely invalidate it, but when you sweep a key level, like say that we come and we sweep this low and then bounce up here, because you don't have that price target, because you took that liquidity, it's not going to be as high probability that we test here and then make our way down. I'd rather see us come test right here, make a lower high, and then move our way down after the fact. Oh my, did we just come on, a little higher. We wicked so fast up there. We literally wicked 2 seconds. Didn't even have time to enter.
Are you not in?
No.
That's a wild push back up. It happened quick.
I know. Like, it literally was too fast to even react. I looked away for 1 second. I still haven't entered, guys. I'm watching.
See, it's pushing up without sweeping that pre-market low first.
99.
That close.
What's that? 232. I'm going to have a starter piece of shorts here, guys. Starter piece of shorts. I have room to add once. I did take those shorts up there. Starter piece. I would have liked to see above 200, but 190 to 200 area. Come on. Push down. Push down. Push down. I'm going to take a 1-to-1 trim here at 60 or at 66. Took a little off. I want to see lower out of this. I want to see lower out of this, guys. I took a trim down here on these shorts. Come on. Lower. I want to see a death candle here. I did take a trim. I have to leave in 30 minutes today. I have to travel today, so willing to be a little less risk on. I'm going to put my stops on this now at 200. 201. So we're going to secure this as a green trade no matter what. I want to see lower out of this, though, guys. I'd love to see low a day. Come on. Give me low of day. Give us low a day, guys. No, not that way. Got down to 60. Strong. Got a 1-to-1 trade so far. I'd like to see like 1.52R on these shorts, guys. Come on. Die. Make sure you guys have trimmed everybody. There we go. Come on. Over 30 points now. I'm going to take another contract off down here. My stops are still at just about break even. Now I'm going to move them to break even. Come on. Die. I want a massive trade out of this. I want below 135. Come on. Come on. Die. I want the death of the NASDAQ. I want the death of the NASDAQ for Team Bull Trading. Come on. Come on. Death of the NASDAQ, baby. Come on. No, wrong way, NASDAQ. Wrong way, Nazi. Other way. Other way, Nazi. It's all right. We'll take, even if it goes and stops sell break even, we'll still take it. It was a damn good trade. From the orb level down to 150, almost 40 points. Depending on your entry, you might have gotten 40 plus. I still want lower. I still want low a day. Stops are at break even, so we'll take it either way. What do you mean bad day short? We just caught a beautiful move down. Literally no drawdown at all. All right, guys. Out of this trade. Out of this trade, everybody. Out of this trade. Out of this trade. Out of this trade, everybody. Out of this trade. We might get to have a re-entry, but I'm taking it. We are good where we're at today, my friends. We are fine with what we got. We are fine with what we got on the day. We'll take it, baby. We will take it. Got almost a 40-point trade for some people. For some people, 40 points there. Made some progress on the funded. Made some progress on the live. We will take what we got, baby. $1,400, right? You know, 30, 40 points, 1-1, 1.5 R. We'll take it, baby. We'll take that all day, every day, especially with defined risk. How can you be mad at that trade? Oh, they're mad at Top Step. I was like, why are y'all mad at me? I got you like 40 points. That was great, guys. That was good. Anyone catch a small piece of that? Any of y'all catch a small piece of that trade? 30, 40 points? We're calling it Base Hit Wednesday, baby. Got some? And y'all got, yay, damn, my boy killed it. I don't know how you were possibly didn't make money on that unless you just didn't I mean, worst case scenario is you should have seen that move 30, 40 points down and in our favor, might I add, and set your stops to break even. Max risk before was 30 points. So we got just over 1-1 on it. Just over 1-1. Oh no, everyone's Top Step is down. Guys, this is why I tell you. Why do y'all think that I say Top Step is not the move? All y'all give me shit when I say go somewhere with Trade of 8. No, we love Top Step. Bro, screw Top Step. I'm sorry it's not working. This is why you always have to have your risk parameters in place. Everyone's Top Step is down. Yes, we understand that. Damn. Damn, if we get a reversal candle here again, we could try some shorts again. Honestly, I'm happy with the money I made, so I likely won't take anything. But I have a few live accounts, but I really like AMP and Edge Clear. Wanna hear We'll take it. Over a rack on the day. We'll take our rack a day. Keeps a lot of life's problems away. We'll take it, baby. As a reminder, guys, make sure if you haven't already, you tap in, hit that follow button. You hit that subscribe. If you're on YouTube, I trade live for you every single day. I want to get a quick head count, guys. If you did take that trade with me, and if you managed it exactly how I did, what did you end up with? If you managed it with DOD, you took your trim or two trims, what stops at break even? How we end up doing? How we pay ourselves off 30, 40 points this morning? I'm just curious. I want to see. If you took that trade with me, how'd you end up? 253, 1K, 750, $41, 200, 153, 500, 1K, 81. We'll take it. That's good. 80 bucks, 44, 1,500 times 6, 30 points, 300. 40 going north, 4,000. Nice. That's good. That's great. 270 times 13. So that's what I was hoping for. Some small base hits. Some base hits. That's all you need sometimes, especially if you're going for payouts, guys. If you're going for payouts and going for consistency on your fundeds, if you can get consistent base hits of 20, 30, 40 points, as long as your risk lines up with that, that's how you're going to get there. You don't get there through home runs. That's the biggest misconception from social media. Is you don't get to where you want to be from home runs. We'll take it, baby. I wanted to really catch a solid like 50, 60, 70 pointer for you guys, but we'll take what we got. Get what you get. You don't throw a fit. If you guys are tired of Top Step breaking, try a different firm. Alpha, Funded Next, Apex, something else. Right now, if you are on Top Step and it won't work, from now on, go to Alpha Futures or go to Funded Next and use code Jdun for 25% off with Alpha. It is literally similar to Top Step, but way better. No scaling plan, higher payout caps. Like, come on, guys. Get funded with Alpha Futures. Stop letting Top Step screw you around. They have Project X for now, and they have Trade of 8. I will help as long as you pay the rules, for sure. Absolutely, if you use... What do you say, bro? If you're on Take Profit Trader, you can use code TBT. Oh, shit. You take that trade with me earlier?
I took a similar trade, yeah. I didn't get the same entry you did.
Oh.
There's no point me calling you. You already called me.
Yeah. Grizzly in the shorts. What was your entry?
87.
Nice, like 90. Grizzly took those shorts up there, guys. 87.
There we go. Let's just push down here.
I think it looks good. I wish that last candle had a bit more volume for you, but looks good. Honestly, this chart looks great for a push to low a day.
Yeah, I'd love to see it. There we go, everyone.
This looks good for you.
There we go. Let's trim here. Stops at a much better looking setup than the previous one.
It looks really good for a push to low a day for you.
Put the trim, put the stop at an inch or so.
I've told you guys over and over to stay away from Top Step, and you guys all bag me. You don't listen when I just have your best interest at heart. You say, oh, you don't like Top Step because you don't have an affiliate code. No, I think Top Step's an OG. I don't like what they do with Project X, and I think Trade of 8's a much more reliable platform. If you want similar to Top Step, just go to Alpha Futures and use code Jdun. Literally higher payout caps, no scaling plan, and you can support your boy.
That was quick. Still could push the low day. I just had a minute for a trade. Don't make sense to me. Take a trim to let the trade go red.
I just posted my Alpha Futures link. If you want to trade and you're tired of Top Step, you're tired of Top Step breaking on you, you're tired of not having control over your trading, go to Alpha Futures. Way better. 25% off right now, too, for Black Friday. Or Fund and Next. Fund and Next is cool, too. They're 30% off. I am going to mob out here in just a little bit. I'm going to mob out a little earlier today, guys. Not the second, but let's see what time. So I need to be 1:20, noon, 11, so 8:30 to 9, 10. I hate math sometimes.
I'm the worst at that.
Not a fan sometimes.
Like it's gonna print after it.
I still think we pushed a low a day. I think if you want to trade, you look for shorts with stops above like 200. I'm not in that though, just for the record.
Glad I finally slept at 5 a.m. Been waking up like 4 every morning.
Been waking up early?
Not because I wanted to, my brain just wake up 4 a.m. I guess when the time changed. First morning I slept at 5 a.m. in a minute.
For each of you that is getting screwed by Top Step right now, I recommend you all switch over to Funded Next or Alpha Futures. They both have great rules and they're very similar to Top Step. I like the Alpha Futures advanced accounts. They're a bit more pricey, but they don't have consistency rules on Funded, which I really like. And they're 25% off for Black Friday, which is incredible. They're never 25% off. Then they're very good. Yep. You won't hear about denied payouts from Alpha. They are a Jdun trusted firm. What about Denver?
It'll be about time for you to start getting some snow, right?
Dude, we still haven't had snow. It's like a record, bro. Still.
Earliest snow we've had in a long time this year. 96 to be exact.
Yeah, I mean, Apex is Apex. If you follow the rules, you get paid. 25% off is only for this Black Friday sale, so scoop it up while you can.
I don't take shorts so bad again, but I'm not gonna overtrade.
Apex is great right now too. With the 100K accounts, $60 and then $10 activation fee, $70 all in for a 100K account, which is unbeatable. You can't beat that. That's where I got my $50,000 payout too.
Well, boy, you all
I got
have
my
a great Thanksgiving. Hopefully you all made some sushi money off that last trade with me. Be back on, more than likely, it'll be Monday morning before you trade with me again.
Okay,
See you guys. Have a nice Thanksgiving, bro. We're going to dump now that you're leaving.
Probably.
Now that the boys are leaving, we're going to dump. Oh, yeah. Hopefully all y'all chose DOD today. Confused about this PA. Yeah, I mean, it's being slow. I still like the shorts, personally, until we break above, like, honestly, until we break above, like, pre-market high and break this whole structure. I like shorts. I've told y'all for a while now, the top step is not the move. If you guys want a firm you can trust, go with Alpha Futures. They have Trade of 8, way better than Project X. They do have Project X for a few months. But Alpha Futures is great. You can use code Jdun for 25% off because it's Black Friday sale, and then Funded Next is good too. All Jdun trusted firms. Top Step Management made a bag today. Alpha Futures will occasionally get rid of their activation fees. Depends what type of account you do. The advanced accounts are still goated for sure. For sure. Completely goated. We're gonna go lower here. I'm telling you, this looks really good for a push. I still think we want to test pre-market low. Tradeify is great. Yup. Tradeify is incredible. They're 40% off right now with code Jdun. And you can go straight to funded. Tradeify is solid. Dude, that's awesome. That's awesome. Bro got a payout from Apex on the giveaway account that I gave. That's crazy. That's super gangster. That is so fly. That is very awesome. That is very, very awesome. You should post that and post your gains, bro. Good day to be a trader in Team Bull. Good day to be a trader in Team Bull. Made 125. That's awesome. It's dope. Bro said, I want to fight Coach Dakota. Bro, I hope that you don't be trading with me, and if I make a losing trade, you want to fight me. That don't make me feel good. Like, at least I'm going to tell you to manage your risk right. A lot of these streamers will tell you a bunch of different trades and tell you to trade so you blow your accounts and use their code more. I do appreciate when you support me with our partner firms below in the YouTube, Apex, Funded Next, Alpha Futures, Tradeify, but I want you to trade smart. My ultimate goal for you is to use these prop firms to get valuable experience, to scale your trading correctly, and then get your payouts and move those payouts to a live account. That's my ultimate goal for you guys. We have trading every night for Asia inside Team Bull. I don't really talk about the Discord much, but if you know, you know. There's a lot of value inside Team Bull. I believe we're going to be running a Black Friday sale too if you want to get inside the premium community. You guys remember what our last sale was, right? Remember how cheap I let some of y'all in for a month? A lot of those people ended up staying too because there's so much value inside. The last sale we did, I let people in for $1 for a month. For a month! Who thinks we should run a crazy sale for Black Friday to get inside the premium community with the community in there, with Jared Tendler, with all the recorded education, and everything else? Who thinks we should run a crazy Black Friday sale? You guys want to wax me for Black Friday? That last sale made me a member for life. That's awesome, Lena. I'm glad you appreciate and you like the community. 50 cents, bro. We can't go under $1. Come on. They're done making pennies. Come on now. So when that sale is announced, it will be on my Instagram, guys. So make sure if you're not already, my Instagram is JDUN Trades. Jdun Trades on Instagram. It's the only place I answer DMs as well. So make sure you guys go to IG. If you're on your computer, go to your phone right now and go to IG. If not, go right now or go after. Make sure you guys hit that follow button and stay in tune for the stories because that's where it'll be.
Okay, guys, I'm leaving. 41 trades, not trade for
See you, bro.
Take care, man. Have a
Out of here.
Thanksgiving. Trade weekend. See you. Let's see if I can trade more. We'll see the presents.
Tomorrow's Thanksgiving.
Thank you. You too, man.
Oh, okay. See ya. I thought he was saying he was going to trade tomorrow. I was like, bro, tomorrow's Thanksgiving. Okay. So, all right, whatever.
No. I'm Monday. Monday, man. It's gonna be a long week. Take care.
Tomorrow's Thanksgiving. I won't even be, the only thing I'm going to be trading is mashed potatoes and turkey between my spoon and my fork. That is the only trades I'm going to be taking. I'm going to be trading some diet pieces that I don't usually eat. I'm going to be trading some nice cream corn and some turkey mixed with some steak. And I'm definitely going to be long mashed potatoes. That's for sure. I'm full porting long some mash and hopefully some gluten-free sweets that my family gets because you boy don't eat gluten. Bro, I would do any. I'm for sure long green beans. We're long green beans in this chat too, for sure. If I had to trade, I would trade steak and potatoes for turkey and mash. Well, no, I'd like to swap a trade. I'd be short potatoes, long mashed potatoes, and I could do without turkey. I'm not like the biggest turkey guy ever. I think it's low-key a little overrated. What's wrong with that, Gene? You're over there silent the whole morning. I started talking about turkey, and Gene says, wow. You like turkey? All right. Can we all agree that steak and red meat is better than turkey? Can we all come together here? You guys got my back? Do we got my back here, chat? Yes, yeah, everyone's like, yeah. Steak, 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 steak. Turkey and chicken over steak any day. That is sus, Ben Smith. That is sus. I'm along a deep fried turkey. Okay. Deep fried turkey. That's different, but I respect it. I definitely respect it. It's bold, but I like it. I'm here for it. I'm here for it for sure. What are my plans for Thanksgiving? I'm just going to hang out with my family. I am about to dip out, though. Gene, you want to take over the stream real quick? Gene's going to come say hi. Please be nice to him. He's sensitive about his turkey and everyone being on the right side of everything. What's up, Gene? Put your sunglasses on.
No mames. It's big, no mames.
Oh, man, I'm tired.
Where's my other chat? Oh, there it is. Why am I a Mexican turkey? Why you call me that? Promo for Alpha is just code Jdun. I think it's like 25% off right now for Black Friday. Something like that. I don't know. I like them though.
What's up, my boy?
Their stream is still working for the coaches. Look.
The coaches are like, we're good. Fuck all y'all, though. Oh, that's terrible.
That's cold, huh?
That's cold.
What I think I'm gonna do.
Oh, people are going crazy on their stream.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, no. Oh, no. That's crazy. Everyone, they're just like, what the fuck?
What they'll probably end up doing though when they have outages like this is they'll reset everybody's losses.
That's crazy.
And wins too. You get everything you set.
That's crazy.
No loss money.
That's wild. That's wild. Yeah, I think Alpha, if you're sick of Top Step and you want a genuinely better firm, go to Alpha Futures. You can use code JDUN for 25% off. There's no scaling plan. You can use all your contracts right off the rip, even though it's not the best idea for some of you guys. You also get higher payout caps. Instead of $5,000, it's $15,000 per account per payout. They have Trade of 8 and Project X. So if you guys want an Alpha Futures account, you can go to the Discord section there, Alpha Futures, and use that link. Oh, whoops. Why didn't that copy? What the heck? My OBS literally just like died and came back. But all right, y'all. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, and I'll see you guys on the flip side. All right. As a reminder, too, I appreciate you guys using code Jdun. I appreciate you guys supporting me in every which way. And I'll see you guys on Monday. Or maybe Friday. I'll see you guys on Monday. God bless y'all. And I'll see you guys on Instagram. If you want the Team Bowl, Black Friday deal, follow me on Instagram right now. JDUN Trades on Instagram. I'll pin it real quick. Jdun Trades on Instagram. Make sure you guys go follow me there so you can stay up to date on the next Black Friday sale. Or if you want inside Team Bowl into the free Discord, you can DM me for access. Mention that you're from the free live stream. You like access to the free Discord. Yep, I just pinned the IG, everybody. Jdun Trades. Glad we could catch a winner. All right, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving. Go enjoy time with your family, with your loved ones. Do something positive for yourself. Please don't throw away your routine and everything you've been working for just because it's the weekend and just because it's the holiday. Trade smart, trade safe. I love you guys. I'm appreciative of you guys. I'm thankful for you guys. And I'll see you guys in a few days. Adios, everyone. Peace.